वेलकम बैक टू PolicyEggs.com। आइए आज बात करते हैं यूनिवर्सल सोम्पो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में। यूनिवर्सल सोम्पो General Insurance is a private public partnership venture in the Indian general insurance industry. Interestingly, it is a joint venture between Allahabad Bank, Karnataka Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Dabur Investment Corporation, and Sompo Japan. Let us take a look at the key features now. Number 1. Network Hospital. At present, Universal Sompo offers more than 4,000 network hospitals across India, allowing customers to avail hassle-free cashless hospitalization. Number 2. Claim Support Ratio. It is effectively one of the most useful parameters that showcases the number of claims settled by the company in the last 3 months. Currently, the company's claim support stands at 92.14%. Number 3. Solvency Ratio. IRDAI has mandated for all insurance companies in India to maintain a minimum solvency ratio of 1.5. At present, the solvency ratio of the company is 2.15. आइए अब देखते हैं एक्सक्लूजन्स के बारे में। जितना ज़रूरी आपके लिए ये समझना है कि आपकी पॉलिसी में क्या क्या कवर होता है, उतना ही ज़रूरी आपके लिए ये भी समझना है कि आपकी पॉलिसी में क्या क्या कवर नहीं होता। Any illness diagnosed within the first 90 days of the inception of the policy. Any accident resulting from self-injury or under any influence of intoxication or suicide. The insured dies or suffers from other injuries while participating in adventurous sport. Self-exposure to needless perils except in an attempt to save human life. Injuries due to war or ionizing radiation of nuclear peril. अब देखते हैं क्लेम सेटलमेंट के बारे में। Claim settlement is important so that on time you can get the right kind of medical treatment for yourself and your family. Claim 2 तरीके से सेटल हो सकता है। Number 1, cashless claim, and number 2, reimbursement. Let us first address cashless claim in detail. This is applicable when you're admitted to a network hospital affiliated with the company. You need to intimate the insurer within 24 hours of emergency hospitalization and 48 hours before a planned admission. Show your health card along with valid ID proof and fill in the details in the cashless request form. ये फॉर्म आप हॉस्पिटल इंश्योरेंस हेल्प डेस्क पे सबमिट कीजिए। हॉस्पिटल आपका डेटा वेरीफाई करेगा और उस फॉर्म को इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को भेज देगा। The company will verify the details and communicate the decision to you and the hospital board. On acceptance and approval, the company will directly settle the expenses with the hospital. Number 2, reimbursement claim, जो कि applicable होता है जब आप कंपनी के non-network hospital में अपना इलाज करवा रहे हैं। You need to intimate the insurer about the hospitalization at the earliest and pay the expenses post-discharge. Fill the reimbursement form with the required details. The insurer will ask you to submit the hospital bill, prescription, and receipt. On successful completion of the verification procedure, the company will reimburse the amount in the claimant's registered account. That was all about Universal Sompo Health Insurance. Thank you for staying tuned with PolicyEggs.com. Remember, you need to secure your future. You need to get insured. Have a great day ahead.